Hey, welcome back everybody. Roger here from Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace your stabilizer bar links. Before I do that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. The stabilizer bar, commonly known as a sway bar, bolts to your frame, and the sway bar links attach it to the control arms on both sides of the vehicle. This keeps the two sides of your suspension connected, as well as preventing unwanted sway, which, in the case of top-heavy vehicles like our 2005 Jeep Liberty here, could even pose a rollover risk. Sway bar or stabilizer bar links come in a few varieties. In the Jeep's case, they're relatively straight with a bushing on either end and are attached using bolts, but on your vehicle they may be Z-shaped, they may have ball and socket joints on either end, or on older vehicles may even be long bolts with retainers and bushings that are all separate pieces. Once you've got the tools and parts for your vehicle together, here's what you'll do. We'll begin by lifting and supporting the vehicle. If you'd like to refresh yourself on that, check out our video. It may not be necessary to remove the wheels, but it will definitely give you more room to work. Now we can start removing the old sway bar link. It's only attached with two bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. Using your ratchet and a socket, remove the upper bolt and then the lower bolt. Use a box wrench on the other end if needed. Then you should be able to slide the sway bar link out. Be sure to compare your old sway bar link to the new one to make sure they're the same size and shape. Most vehicles are like this one in that they're symmetrical and the two sides are interchangeable, but that may not always be the case. To install the new sway bar link, simply lift it into place and reinstall the bolts. Then torque the bolts to manufacturer's specifications. In the case of the Jeep, it'll be 100 foot-pounds on the top bolt and 80 foot-pounds on the bottom. Then you can put your wheels back on and finger tighten the lug nuts. And once you've lowered the vehicle, torque them to manufacturer's specifications. And that's it. You can find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. So if you found this one helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.